Level up your Liondesk game. Here's how to create killer client connections with video in under 2 minutes. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Liondesk account from the main dashboard. You'll want to initiate a new email or text message, depending on which communication method you're using. Click on the appropriate button for either email or texting, depending on your intended outreach to your clients. Once you have done that, there will be a menu in the text box which will allow you to continue with your communications. Located at the bottom of your message composition box, you should see a series of options. Look for the video camera icon, or an icon that will give you access to video options. Click or tap on that icon. Now, you have two choices. You can either record a new video directly through Liondesk, using your webcam, or upload a pre-recorded video. If you choose to record, the system will likely prompt you to grant camera and microphone access. If you're recording, prepare your message, hit the record button, and give your best performance. If you're uploading, select your file from your computer. After either recording or uploading, select the video you want and insert it into your message. Now, you can customize your email or text with any additional text you want to make it more personable. Once your message is composed exactly how you please, hit send. Liondesk also gives you access to monitor video performance. To track your video's success, delve into your analytics, look for video view rates and engagement to understand what resonates with your clients. You can access those analytics in your email, text history with a client. Now you're ready to use video marketing like a pro. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more Liondesk tips and tricks. Implement these strategies immediately and watch your client engagement skyrocket.